Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Everything Weapons. Safariland selected as Ballistic provider for FBI armor contract. All credit to the FIREARMblog.com, where I'm going to be reading today. So, Cadre Holdings subsidiary Safariland has been chosen as the Ballistic panel provider for a major FBI armor contract with their relatively new SXHP Level 3A ballistic panel being the product that was selected. This ballistic panel was only introduced last year in 2025 and is already receiving recognition and demand from government entities. So, Safariland's SX HP ballistic panel is very much new to the market, yet it has seen vast commercial and government adoption. To win out this most recent FBI contract, Safariland had to beat out 11 competing products following a rigorous evaluation process that assessed ballistic performance, construction quality, and extensive end-user testing for function, fit, and comfort. This ran the gamut of some of the most demanding ballistic testing protocols in the industry, and in the end, Safariland still won out. So, a word from Cadre Holdings on Safariland's selection for armor contract. So, Jacksonville, Florida. A global leader in the manufacturing and distribution of safety equipment and other related products for the law enforcement, first responder, military, and nuclear markets, today announced that its subsidiary, Safariland, has been selected as the ballistic panel provider integrated into Predictive Ballistics LLC's Overt Armor Kit, or OAK. Predictive Ballistics was recently awarded a 5-year or $61 million indefinite delivery and indefinite quantity contract by the FBI, and the OAK system is also available to the United States Marshals Service, the Drug Enforcement Administration, and other Department of Justice agencies. This award represents a major accomplishment for our team and underscores the constant commitment to innovation that remains at the heart of everything we do, said Brad Williams, the president of Cadre Holdings. After introducing the Safariland SX HP ballistic panel in 2025 last year, we are pleased to see broader adoption and enthusiastic feedback from customers that we have engineered one of the thinnest, lightest, and most protective hybrid ballistic armor on the market, with best-in-class brands and a steadfast commitment to our life-saving mission. We believe Safariland is well positioned to drive growth over the long term. So this new FBI armor contract adds to the long reputation that Safariland has established for securing government contracts and exemplifying the highest quality in what they chose to produce. And federal agency contracts of this nature are typically characterized by multi-year terms, defined delivery schedules, and strong reoccurring demand driven by equipment modernization cycles. It is safe to assume to make that Safariland and Cadre Holdings are quite pleased to have won this contract. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a little bit of news. The FBI have new armor. So we're going to be seeing this probably this year in 2026, being used by a bunch of government agencies as the SX HP Level 3A ballistic panel is going to be used very soon. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed hearing this news, drop a like. A thumbs up is greatly appreciated. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. That way you don't miss anything I post in the future. And check out my older videos on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.